In this video, I'm going to talk about differentiation of a function that is composite function. Now, when we're given y equals to ax plus b all to the power n. Now, you can use the chain rule method, or you can go through the differentiation process. All right. So my divide x. So I'll differentiate everything. So this one will be n times b. So I'll reduce the power by 1 times. Then I'll differentiate what is in the bracket. So that will be dx of ax plus b. So we have divide x. So we have n ax plus b n minus 1. So this one will be a. Since this one will be constant 0 and this one will be a, so we have na ax plus b. All right, so that's divide dx. All right, let's find the derivative of this function. Okay, so we have y equals to 2x plus 5 all raised to 5. So we can go ahead by dx. Okay, so I will differentiate the entire function. So we have 5 times that's 2x plus 5, and I'll reduce the power by 1 4 times. So we will differentiate what is in the bracket. So 2x plus 5 will be derivative of this 2. So we have divide x. 5 times 2 is 10. You have 10 times 2x plus 5. So power 4. Go ahead and x squared minus 3 to the power 4. So same thing, my divide x. So we have 4 times x squared minus 3 multiplied by the derivative of what is in the bracket. So that will be 2x. So my divide x will be 8x. This one equals that. Okay, so that's that. So find divide x. So if y equals to 1 minus x raised to 3. Alright, so this one is very simple. So just find divide x. So this power multiply the coefficient 3 have 1 minus x. So this power will be reduced by 1 2 multiplied by the derivative of this. So when you differentiate this one, it becomes negative 1. So we have minus 3 1 minus x all raised to 2. So we have dy dx. Okay.